Look at this. This is the condition of 790 when we ride it in rain. We'll have to get a thorough washing done. Now I'm going to a KTM service center which is nearby to my place because I'm facing an issue. I'm facing an issue with my scalpel. Let me explain the issue that I'm facing right now. Watch this clip. Can you see this gap here around this fuel tank lid? When I was coming back home, I got stuck in rain. I was riding in rain for 45 minutes. And through this gap, rainwater entered inside the tank lid. And where will that water go? This is the jugaad what KTM has done. Water is over here. Can you see that? And can you see that hole over there? So whatever the water that gets stored here will get flushed out through that hole, and that water comes outside through this pipe, this thing. But the problem that I'm facing, you understood the problem, right? The water is still there. It is not getting flushed out. I'll have to use one tissue paper to remove that water. This is a recurring problem I'm facing. Last time also I faced the same problem. I rode in rain for around 2 hours because I got stuck somewhere, and I came back home. Next day I opened this tank lid. I was literally scared because so much of water got accumulated. Obviously water would have entered inside this fuel tank. I went to the KTM service center. I told them this is the problem I'm facing. They said, sir, we'll do something like they did some random stuff. I thought problem got fixed. No, problem is not fixed. It's still there. More than water, I think dust particles are getting inside and stored over here through that gap. At the end of the day, those dust particles are just blocking the water, and this is the end result. I will show you one more problem. See, this is that pipe which is connected to the tiny hole inside the tank. This pipe is squeezed and pinched somewhere over here. Can you see this? If this pipe itself is pinched, how will water get flushed outside? Not even a drop of water is getting flushed out. See, the pipe is dry. This is like a serious problem. I am on my way to KTM showroom. Let me see you in the showroom. Let me see what they're gonna do now. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಏರ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈ ಹೋಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಏನು ಏರ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೀರು ಒಂಚೂರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವಯರ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಪುಷ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಇಫ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನಿ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರೇನು? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಟೂಲು? ಓ, they are blowing air, as you can see from the outlet. This air is going to push the dust particles from that hole. Last time they did the same thing, but it didn't work. Is blowing air from that outlet pipe, and is even spraying that WD-40. ಫೌಂಟೇನ್ ಬರ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ? ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಗಾಳಿ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಏನು ಕಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿತ್ತು?
ಇದು ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಣ್ಣು, ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕಚ್ he is saying we need to keep an eye on this area. We need to keep this area clean. So let's see. Now he is going to get some petrol and he is going to pour in this hole. It should get flushed out from that outlet. If it is not getting flushed out, problem is still not solved. I don't think KTM has done a good job here. First and foremost, why have they given this much gap, man? Here he comes with some petrol. ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. See, it is not properly getting flushed out. I think somewhere down the line that outlet pipe is pinched somewhere. We'll have to remove this tank, then only we'll get to know. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ? ಮಂಡೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆನಾ? ಮೇಕ್ರಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ನೀವು ಇರ್ತೀರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಒಟ್ಟಾಯ್ತು.
ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಬಂತು ಸೂಪರ್. So basically the manager of this floor, the service center, the service advisor, he explained me that pipe which goes from here to here, this outlet pipe was somewhere pinched inside. So that was the problem. That is what I even assumed. My assumption became true. Now they just opened this part of the tank, only this part, this fiber part, and then he pulled the pipe. He did something. I couldn't record that because I was somewhere outside. So now the issue got resolved. I need to get the washing done for this bike now. This message is for all those KTM Duke 790 owners. If you're watching this video, heads up, just keep an eye on that tiny hole which is inside that fuel tank, and just make sure to keep that surface area inside that fuel tank clean without any dust particles. If you see any dust particle, immediately wipe it off, because that's going to create blockage in that pipe. So secondly, we need to check whether the rainwater or the excess fuel is getting flushed out of that hole, whether that hole is working or not, right? When you go to fuel station once in a while, just ask that guy to pour the last few drops of fuel on that hole, whether the excess fuel is getting sucked out. If it is not working, again there's a problem, red flag. Go to the service station, get the issue fixed. You know what, if you are planning for a long ride, you may have to go through different terrains, different weather conditions. So if you are planning to ride in rain, this is a mandatory thing that you'll have to keep in your mind before planning for such rides. Just make sure there is no issue with that hole, otherwise it's going to cost a lot in your future. By the way, 790 spare parts are pretty expensive. And that's it for this video, guys. You want to see me in my next video. Take care. Bye bye. I want to grow vegetables, but my mother loves flowers, so this is what the setup on our terrace.